Friends, in this video for iThought Advisor, I am going to talk to you on the topic doing an SIP in a PMS. Everybody associates systematic investing only with mutual funds. Putting money regularly into a portfolio, be it systematic where every month you invest a fixed sum of money, or just monthly and variable where every month you put in money without fail, but you change the amount according to opportunities, market context and your own financial needs. One is rigid and the other is flexi, but both have the capacity to deliver for you on your financial objectives. The key thing is not to make this monthly investing dumbed down. For example, when you buy just an index, you are just going to buy the same thing in the same proportion every month. A better way of doing that would surely improve your investment outcome, and that way should include the option to invest that money where the potential for return is highest. So, when I say doing an SIP in a PMS, it means that you will put in money monthly. It could be fixed or flexible depending on your financial situation and your priorities, but it should be regular, disciplined and constant. So, you are not supposed to give it up. So, what can you get by doing this? Let me share what I have observed in portfolios of clients who did this regularly. What did they do? They set aside money every month and ensured that money is invested without fail. So, that money came into the portfolio, and as the advisor or the portfolio manager, whatever may be the roles we have played at different points in time, we had the option of selecting whatever looks most lucrative that month. So, there is application of mind, there is a quest and a genuine urge to buy the best part of the market for you, and there is this compulsive need not to miss out on screaming opportunities. The market may be at a place where we like or don't like it, but opportunities keep coming before us in every market context. Only the investor who allows himself to participate in that opportunity will get higher returns. Let me share a secret. People who invested like this ensured that they gave us money in the bottom of 2021. Somebody else may have given us more corpus, but they did not show the conviction when it mattered the most by just giving an incremental sum of money. Let me explain what this incremental sum of money did for those who showed conviction. Most people invested between 10 and 20% of their existing portfolio corpus. Now, this amount got invested in the most attractive parts of the market which were screaming at us, and those investments became multi-baggers. The time to buy multi-baggers is when that investment is screaming at you. So, if you say that let me see how the portfolio performs, let returns happen in the portfolio and then I will give you money and then you should get me multi-baggers, we are setting ground rules for a game in which we are definitely not going to win. Whereas, a simpler subset of ground rule would be, I have given you money, I don't mind giving you another 10 or 20% now that the market is down, and let me see how you do. So, when you do that, you are giving money and you are still challenging the manager that, look, in this context, I am giving you this opportunity to do better for me, and please do whatever it takes to improve my performance. Typically, this challenge is not difficult to throw at a manager, and it is very difficult to lose that challenge. You will win and the manager will win, there will be a win-win. This is where that monthly habit of investing, of transferring savings into your portfolio, gives you the conviction and power of habit to participate very effectively when the markets are at the bottom. You will start keeping some money just to give at that extreme market moment. And I have seen many investors successfully do it with me, and I would always give them the credit for the investment performance. Because if they didn't give that money, I probably wouldn't have been able to perform as well as I did. As for others, the tinge of regret is always there in every advisor or every fund manager's mind that this person has come to me, he wants me to manage his portfolio well, that's his intent. He wants to give him more money, but the way he is setting the ground rules for himself ensures that he neither participates effectively, nor gives more money, nor meets his objectives. A halfway trust-based relationship between an advisor and an investor, or a portfolio manager and an investor, is never going to make either side happy. There has to be clear buy-in and a clear understanding of the kind of investment behavior both will bring in when the markets are extremely attractively valued. At that moment, if we are not on the same page, we are not going to get anywhere. And we can't get to that same page moment just when the market gets there. We need the power of habit to improve how we engage, to ensure that ample trust is built much before that, and to fulfill exactly what we should do when opportunities scream at us. So, making an SIP in a PMS, a regular monthly investment, something that could be fixed or flexi, is certainly going to help you develop the power of habit to invest every month into your PMS and to keep your portfolio always funded so that no opportunity gets missed. The manager should clearly know how much you can invest in a normalized way every month, and he needs to keep money all the time to buy opportunities. He should not put the money the next day after you give it to him blindly in something and then see the markets fall a week or two later and he gets left out of that opportunity. He should have some money for every opportunity, and you should trust him with that money systematically so that he has the ammunition to fire when he finds what he wants to shoot down. So, the decision of whether you should give money to an advisor or a PMS manager should be made before you onboard, and it can't be made every time they come to you asking for more investments. Incremental investments must be driven not by the power of judgment every month, but by the power of habit. If you put habit above judgment in doing monthly investments, eventually you won't even need to worry on the judgment day, because all the good things you did along the way will carry you well above what you wanted and surpass your expectations from your investments. And that's the best place every investor can be. That's the best place every advisor can keep his investor and feel good about his work. And that's the only place where every portfolio manager would want to be. So, think about this. Develop the trust before you start the relationship and grow that trust as you go along. Invest regularly, scale up your investments when the markets give you bigger opportunities, and ensure that you participate in every lucrative investment opportunity that Mr. Market throws at your advisor or your PMS manager. Everybody stands to gain from collectively believing in what you do. Thank you for watching this video.